City welcomes me with this beautiful Shiva, the railway station here, to the tuk-tuk that I found again. I call it the man tuk-tuk, alright? Peace. Muscle Man's tuk-tuk it's called. You should ride that to know how tough it is to ride that thing. So these guys just take about 20 bucks for you to drop by near the ghat, and then you gotta take a little bit of walking here in Haridwar to actually reach the ghat and explore Ganga Mata here as well.
Is it rabdi? This is one of my favorite.
Yeah, one of my favorite rabdis there. Yeah. You eat, bro.
You shouldn't be recording me when I'm eating, bro.
You should not be talking when you eat. You
Why,
can
bro?
eat
Will I
when you
spill
eat.
my food, bro? Is that the problem, bro? Will food come out of my mouth, bro?
There. I don't know how far we are from Ganga, but I can already smell Ganga right about here. It's on!
रही है धूप जिंदगी शाम है कभी कभी ये रूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी हर जियो.
Yeah, it's not a bad movie, but I don't like the actor very unfortunately for all the Shah Rukh Khan fans out there. Peace.
But the song has a good message.
Yeah. I'm looking at the musician there, not Shah Rukh Khan. All kinds of stuff. Your bags, clothing, jackets, shoes. I don't know, bats, balls, also fun. A lot of god pictures. And stuff like that. Welcome to the first vlog from Uttarakhand. We're heading to the ghat to meet Ganga Ma. Just showing you the market around. So just enjoy the view. Shonga. Welcome to the Ganges, guys. The Englishman's Ganges, but the Ganga Ma. I lost my friend. Where's he at? I need to figure him out. About they put in super current. Check this out. Oh yeah, I found my friend. He's there. The mighty Ganga. Welcome to Haridwar.
वहीं खड़े हो वहीं खड़े हैं
It's pretty cold.
वही है ना क्या
Pretty pushy.
Thank you. Bholenath is happening. They didn't call me. They didn't call me, unfortunate. But usually people call me say, Baba Chilla. It's not happening in Haridwar. But yeah, that's Shiv Prasad right there. You have honeybees in there. I don't know what is that, but a lot of honeybees. Yeah, check the force of the Ganges. Just flowing. Terrifying currents.
ഘാട്ടിലോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അപ്പോൾ ഹരിദ്വാറിലെ ഘാട്ട് one of the ghats I guess
No, there's only one god.
there's only one ghat in Haridwar അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങോട്ടാണ് യാത്ര ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
He's vlogging. Follow his channel. I'll put the link. Said, look at stupid people. They think they're super powerful, like I don't know whoever it is, or they think they're two mortal beings and things. They shouldn't be testing the power of Mother Nature there. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into today's episode. I'm running out of... Oh wow. Thank you. It was my sunny. Thank you.
More